everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bicycle repair shop business. So let's suppose I'm running a bicycle repair shop business and I'm receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I'm manually replying to all of the queries and this is consuming a lot of my time. So I'm completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, I'm instantly going to reply to all the queries sent by my users. So whenever a user sends a message, the reply will be sent automatically according to their query. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bicycle repair shop. For this, I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And now we are going to test this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like I'm going to send a hello. And then I'm going to receive a reply. So let's wait for the reply, and it has sent me this message: welcome to Speed Cycle Repairs. How can we assist you today? So if I click on any of the buttons, I'm going to receive the response. If I click on this book a repair, it is going to send me what services I'm interested in. And when I click on any of the service, it is going to send me the pickup location and preferred time. So here I have entered 123 Bhopal Street, 5 p.m. tomorrow. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. And it has sent me awesome, your repair request has been received. In the similar manner, if I click on any of the buttons like view services, it is going to send me the list of services they provide. If I click on this open list, I'm going to see all the services which they provide. And when I choose the list and I'm going to send that option, it is going to send me the next message according to the option which I have chosen. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to see how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for bicycle repair shop. For this, I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And it has taken me towards this dashboard. Now, if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number with this button, and you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp number and create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to get the detailed video or the step-by-step process of how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, then please visit our YouTube channel. Now, this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and this gives the overview of all activities, insights, and performance metrics. The next option on the left hand side where we can see all the features is of inbox. So this is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversation. We have this contacts. So this manage your leads, customer and their details. Next option is of team queues. So this assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this template. So this create and manage reusable message templates for campaign. We have this broadcast. Now if you want to create a new template, simply click on this template list. If you want to explore some templates, you can go towards this explore templates. We have this broadcast. So this send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have this flows. So this build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistant. So this use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content or suggestion. If you want to learn how you can create an AI assistant, simply visit this YouTube tutorial. We have this option of settings. Here we can see all the options which we provide. So this will help you configure account, integration and preferences. Next is of get help. So this access the support FAQs or contact the help desk. Now let's move back to the dashboard. To create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to go towards this flows. So let's open this flows. And here I'm landed towards this flow builder. Here you can see all the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. If you want to create a new flow, simply click on this add flow button. Here you can see all the flows which I have created. And to create a new flow, simply click on this add flow. Let's open this. And here I have landed to this page. Now before we start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, let's quickly name this WhatsApp chatbot to How to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bicycle repair shop. So this is the name of my WhatsApp chatbot. On the left hand side where we can see two options, I have very important buttons and these options. So the first button is of text button and the media button. So this will help me send messages, image, video or other media. Then we have this list options. So if I have many options to provide to my users, I can use this list instead of using the buttons. If I want to send a catalog message, I can use this. If I have single product, I can use this button. If I have multiple or many product, I can use this button. And then this is a pre-designed message template which helps us send messages to the customers. Then we have this action. So under this action, we have this condition which will help us branch the flow or the chatbot. We can ask the address, ask the location, ask any question, ask the media. We can ask them to upload any media. We can set the custom field. We can segment them according to the tag which we have used. We have this API request which will help us send or retrieve the data. We have this connect which will help us connect one flow to another flow. And now we are done with understanding all the buttons and options. Let's quickly start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. Now to activate or trigger this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to enter the keyword in the regex. Here I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like hello, hey and hi. Hey, press enter, hi, press enter. You can also add the keywords of your products or services. Like I'm running a bicycle business, bicycle repair business. So I'm going to enter bicycle as my keyword. In the similar manner, you can enter the keywords like this. And this is going to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot. Now over here, we have one more option of regex. So regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. Instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. I'm going to enter the regex. So here I have entered the regex and we have to use the same pattern while entering the regex, and this is going to trigger my regex. Either you can use the keywords or the regex, or you can use the both while creating or triggering or activating this WhatsApp chatbot. Here we are done with understanding of the keywords and the regex, and now let's move to the next step. As soon as we are going to send the message, my chatbot gets triggered and send the next message. So how we are going to create this message? For that, I'm going to go towards the circle, drag and drop this circle, and then I'm going to select my content type. From this drop down, I can find all the content types which I have, and then in my choose content type, I'm going to select the content which I'm going to enter. Now here I've already explained to you all the content types. I'm going to select this as text plus button, and then I'm going to enter my message like, so here I've entered my message, hello, welcome to Speed Cycle Repairs, how can we assist you today? Now over here you can see that I've bold this text. How I have bold this text? Let's go towards Pabbly Chatflow, and what I've done, I've put star in the starting and in the ending of the sentence, and this is going to bold the sentence. How can we assist you? And then I'm going to provide the buttons. As soon as I'm going to provide the buttons, I'm going to follow the same process and I'm going to drag and drop the circle, and then I'm going to create the next message. So over here, I just want to provide three options. I'm not going to create any list. We are going to create the list further. So I'm going to quickly provide three buttons. So here I have entered three buttons: book a repair, view services, contact us. Now I'm going to create the messages for each of the buttons. How I'm going to do this? I'm simply going to drag and drop this, and then I'm going to select my content type. If you want to upload any image, audio, video, or document, you can select your content type as media, and then you can select your media type, and then you can simply click on this cloud, and then you can upload your media. In this way, you can enter the media. I'm going to create a list. How we are going to create the list? For that, we are going to select the content type as list. We are going to enter the header, body, or footer, and then I'm going to click on this add section. I'm going to enter the title, and then I'm going to click on this add item. Then again, I'm going to enter the title. If you have the product description, you can enter that in this description, and then you have to follow the same process until your items end or the options end. Here, I'm quickly going to provide all the messages to all the buttons. So here I am done creating all the buttons and messages. For this book a repair, I have created a message, great. I am going to bold this text, great. Please select the type of service you need. And then I've provided three buttons. As soon as someone is going to click on any of the buttons, I'm going to ask them the address and the pickup time. And when they select that or enter that, I'm going to send them this last message, awesome, your request has been received. Now over here, you can see that I have not used the text plus button, but instead I've used this question box. What I've done, done. I've simply drag and drop this button. I have entered the message and then I've selected my contact custom field. As I'm asking the question, like I'm asking them the location and the time, I have this question, and as soon as my customer answer this question, it gets saved in this contact custom field. And then I've selected my format as any because the reply will be the mix of the text and the numbers. So I've selected my format as that. Let's quickly go through this contact custom field. What is it? On the left hand side where you can see all these options, so I'm going to go towards the settings and then click on this contact custom field. And here I have landed to this contact custom field. You can see all the contact custom field which I have created. If you want to create a new field, you can simply click on this add more field and you can create as many field as you required. Here, whenever you are asking the question, you have to create a contact custom field so that the answer given by the user gets saved in this. And then you can send a personalized message. What you can do, I have selected my contact custom field as answer. So I'm going to copy this over here. You can see contact custom field copied to clipboard, and then I'm going to simply paste that over here, and this is going to create a personalized or a dynamic field or a message. So whenever I'm going to get a reply, that reply is going to get replaced with the next message if I'm going to paste that contact custom field over here. I hope this is clear to you now. So the first button is done. The next was view services. In this view services, I have created this list, and this is what I was talking about. First, I have entered the header, the body and the footer, and then I have entered the section title as the service. Then I've entered the title as basic tune up. Then I've entered the description as I have to enter the description, otherwise the flow will not get saved. Now what I can do, I can either add a title as the number or I can add a description as the services which I'm going to provide. For your example and understanding, I have entered in this way, and then after I end the services, I'm going to create the connection. I have just created one service message which is of break replacement. So whenever someone is going to click on this break replacement, I'm going to send them the details. And if they want to book the service, I'm going to ask them the same question. Please enter your location and then enter your timing. And if they're going to click on this talk to mechanic, I'm going to send them this message which I've created for this contact us. And if they're going to click on this back to service, I'm going to send them this list. So here I'm done creating all the messages and buttons, and this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. If you have any doubts or queries, you can drop a comment below this video, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.